Hello friends, welcome to our fun learning video. Learn how animals move. Today, we'll explore how different animals move in their own special ways. Introduction. Let's learn how animals move. From slithering snakes to hopping kangaroos, discover fun action words with every creature. This is a snake. It can slither. The snake slithered through the grass. This is a bird. A bird can fly. The bird flew high in the sky. This is an elephant. It can walk, lumber, and stomp. The elephant lumbered slowly through the forest. Horse. It can walk, trot, gallop, and run. The horse galloped across the wide field. This is a fish. A fish can swim. The fish swam quickly in the pond. This is a rabbit. Rabbit can hop. The rabbit hopped into the garden. This is a frog. A frog can leap and jump. The frog leapt into the pond. This is a monkey. A monkey can swing, climb, and jump. The monkey swung from tree to tree. This is a cat. A cat can walk, stalk, and pounce. The cat stalked the mouse silently. This is a dog. It can run, walk, and scamper. The dog scampered across the lawn. This is a duck. It can waddle, swim, and fly. The duck waddled towards the water. This is a butterfly. It can flutter. The butterfly fluttered past the flowers. This is a turtle. It can crawl and swim. The turtle slowly crawled to the water. This is a crab. It can scuttle and crawl. The crab scuttled sideways on the road. This is a deer. It can bound and run. The deer bounded into the forest. This is a penguin. It can waddle, slide, and swim. The penguin waddled over the ice. This is a lion. It can walk, stalk, and prowl. The lion prowled quietly through the tall grass. This is a rhinoceros. It can walk, charge, and trot. The rhino charged suddenly towards the bushes. Hippopotamus. It can walk, swim, and splash. The hippo swam lazily in the river and splashed around. This is a tiger. It can stalk, creep, leap, and sprint. The tiger leapt across the stream to chase its prey. This is a kangaroo. It can hop and jump. The kangaroo hopped on strong legs. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Arsal Academy for more educational content.